Good morning, everyone. Blessed Sunday to all. Remember, there are 7 days in 1 week. God gives us 10 days and 1 day for Him. That 1 day, worship Him and serve Him. Six days for us, it's more than enough for us. That 1 day, give Him on God. But remember also, even you worship and serve God, but you don't have Jesus Christ in life, it's useless in the end. Receive or believe Jesus Christ as your Savior, and all this thing is worthy. God bless.